Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving fields of technology today. But where did AI come from? And how did it get to where it is today? In this video, we'll take a brief journey through the history of AI, from its earliest roots in logic and mathematics, to its latest breakthroughs in deep learning and beyond. Early foundations, from logic and mathematics to the Turing test. Our story begins in the early days of computing, when pioneers like Alan Turing were already dreaming of machines that could think and reason like humans. Turing proposed the famous Turing test as a way to measure a machine's ability to mimic human conversation and intelligence. But long before Turing, philosophers and mathematicians were already laying the foundations for AI with concepts like symbolic logic and the idea of mechanical computation. One key figure in this early history was George Boole, whose Boolean algebra provided a way to represent logical statements and operations using simple binary values. Another important concept was the idea of a universal machine, which could be programmed to perform any computation, no matter how complex. This idea was realized in the form of the first general-purpose computer, the Universal Turing Machine, which could perform any computation that could be expressed in a symbolic language. The rise of expert systems, AI in industry and medicine. In the 1970s and 80s, AI took a big step forward with the development of expert systems. These were computer programs that could make decisions based on specialized knowledge, much like human experts in fields like finance and medicine. One example was MYCIN, a system developed to help diagnose bacterial infections. MYCIN used a knowledge base of rules and heuristics to analyze patient data and recommend treatments, with a level of accuracy comparable to human experts. Expert systems also found applications in other industries, such as finance and manufacturing, where they could help optimize complex processes and make more informed decisions. Neural networks and machine learning, a revolution in AI. By the 1990s and 2000s, a new paradigm had emerged in AI, machine learning. Rather than relying on explicit programming and rules, machine learning algorithms allowed computers to learn from data and make predictions based on patterns and statistical models. One key technology in this area was the neural network, which was inspired by the structure of the human brain. Neural networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes that can process and transmit information, allowing them to recognize patterns in data and make predictions based on that knowledge. With the advent of machine learning, AI made huge strides in areas like image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and more. Google's search algorithms, for example, use machine learning to understand and interpret search queries and return relevant results. The emergence of deep learning, AI's latest leap forward. In recent years, deep learning has emerged as a powerful tool for AI, building on the foundations of neural networks and machine learning. Deep learning algorithms use multiple layers of nodes to learn complex patterns in data, making them especially effective at tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. One of the most famous examples of deep learning is the AlphaGo system, developed by Google's DeepMind, which was able to beat the world's best human player at the ancient game of Go. AlphaGo used a combination of neural networks and reinforcement learning to learn the game's strategies and tactics. Today, deep learning is being applied in a wide range of industries, from self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, and from natural language translation to game development. It has opened up new possibilities for AI that were once thought impossible, and it continues to be an active area of research and development. The future of AI, opportunities and challenges ahead. So what does the future hold for AI? The possibilities are both exciting and daunting. On the one hand, AI has the potential to transform our world in countless positive ways, from improving healthcare and education to advancing scientific discovery and creativity. On the other hand, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on society, including issues like bias, privacy, and job displacement. As AI becomes more advanced and more integrated into our daily lives, these concerns are likely to become more pressing. But one thing is clear: AI is here to stay, and its impact on our world will only continue to grow. Whether we embrace it or fear it, we cannot ignore the potential of this incredible technology to shape the future of humanity. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the brief history of AI, from its early foundations in logic and mathematics to its latest breakthroughs in deep learning and beyond. AI has come a long way since its inception, and it has the potential to transform our world in countless ways. But as we look to the future, we must also be aware of the challenges and risks that come with this incredible technology. Only by embracing both the possibilities and the responsibilities of AI can we hope to build a better world for ourselves and for future generations.